So, hello guys, what's up? It's your boy Skype Gamer Earth. We're playing Jurassic World the game, episode 4. In the last episode, we maxed our Majangasaurus to level 40. This episode, I guess we'll be trying to max our Elachna to level 40. So, I'm really happy in our videos, we are hitting a lot of views. In my episode 1, we have seriously got a lot of views. It's amazing, guys. I'd really appreciate it. And we have got 14,000 food, mission complete. And so today we'll be trying to get a max level Elachna, and then we'll be fusing the Elangosaurus. As we said, until level means we'll try to fuse the Elangosaurus, and we'll be finishing it by episode 10. That's what my goals are. Okay, we are earning a lot of bucks and we are spending. I really like that. Oh, I thought that I just got something, but no. Well, nah, not at all. Yes. Okay, so I guess we should get one more card pack using one video. Wait a minute. Here it is, guys. I just watched an ad and got in card pack and 20 DNA, 13,000 coins, 10 bucks, which leads us to 202 bucks, and 20 DNA, which is really good. And I even earned loyalty points, which is awesome. And one more mission completed. Good. So now I've got 3 missions left, but one feature fee to transfer participate in any PvP arena one time. So let's just pet our Majangasaurus. Oh, it looks cool. Oh, let's just collect it. First it was like this, then like this, then like this, and finally it looks like this. It looks cool. But the dinosaurs will be looking even cooler. Now feed to dinosaurs. Of course, I'll feed my Elachna here and something Luminosils, because I don't want to spend so much food, because I'll be using it on Elachna, right? Participate in one PvP arena any one time. Okay, we'll be doing that. So I'll use my Elachna, Trike, and Majunga. Okay, let's see what how our opponents will be, but I hope they'll be weak. Oh, just the opposite. Why? But seriously, we have commons. We have been battling bronze and now silvers. There's one just common. Man, what's this? I don't like it. Oh, his first turn. So let's see what he'll be doing over here. Definitely it can kill me in one hit. And now it can kill me in one hit for sure. This. So I've got 2. It had 1, means in next turn it will have 2. So, oh, it cannot kill me in one hit, means 1 block and 1 reserve. You'll see why. So now he is having 2. Okay. So let's see what he'll be doing. Even if he goes for, yeah, he cannot kill me yet. But now see, I've got 3 reserves, means 3 blocks, which is going to be good. I'll be getting these 3 blocks. And now let's see what he'll do. Okay, next turn we'll be having 3 again. Okay, 3. Next turn I guess he'll be having 4. And I'll be having 3. So I guess the best thing to do is get reserves. And he'll go for full on 4 and kill me. Because see, he will think that I've got 3 blocks. Yeah, of course. And see, he killed me over here. I guess we are not in such a good situation, but we'll have to, we can kill it soon. And then we'll battle Suprasaurus, which will be easy to kill. Oh, 86 attack, that's a lot. 1, 2, 3. 3 is enough to kill it. Suprasaurus, 60. I guess he can do a good amount of damage. So I'll just go 2 and 2, like that. And that's what we'll be doing. So now let's see what Suprasaurus will be doing. It can either switch or do something else. Well, for sure it has to switch or it will be in a big trouble. Or it can collect reserves for its Tropicanathus. We'll see what it will be doing. 3. He had 4, means he could have 1 block or 1 reserve. Well, it would be smart to go for reserve over here. 1, 2. Okay, 3. Okay, now what I'll be doing is getting blocks. I cannot take any risk. Oh, I knew it. Well, it's good that I took blocks. Otherwise, I'd be screwed when Tropicanathus would enter the battle arena. So, I thought that I'll be losing it, but nah, I win. And I always win. I don't know how does that make sense. But I guess if it will go smart, it can kill me. So the best bet over here is to just continue going for blocks unless it goes for full on attack, and it went. And he cannot kill me, and now my one hit can kill him. And for fun, we'll get full on 4 attack. And you're done, boy. Haha, that was fun. 550 damage. Means I defeated Silvers. What? Means I've got a really good tactic. Just collect reserves at start, and after that battle with your strongest dinosaur. Okay, we have got this. Sorry. Okay. 100 food. Not too bad. Better than the coins, though, at least. Best that I could get would be means the card pack or something else. Is it just me or wait a minute. This is just crazy. What are the odds of getting this? I need to check. What are the odds? What are the odds? Oh, what's this? Okay, and bronze reward. Can get one of these, which is good. I like it. But see, I'll be going for food because I really need food to level up my Alakna. Well, that was really lucky. How I got that? Means I'll be checking out what are the odds of that. 13 bucks, fine. So I guess for starting we'll be using a Alakna. Then one minute. I need to do something. First I need to level up my Alakna. I'm really sorry for that. Okay. I guess first I'll be evolving it. 40 speeder for free. Oh yeah, thank you. Okay, collect. Let's level up to level 20. Okay, that took a lot of food, but fine. Okay, so we can evolve this boy also. That's great. So seems like so far we'll be able to get a level 40 Lachna in this video. I don't understand what should I keep the thumbnail and title, that I got a golden Leopardon or level 40 Lachna or get Alangasaurus in this video. It's just too confusing. It feels like some pressure put on your head. But whatsoever, we have now we'll be doing this battle, and I guess that I should be going for Triceratops at starting, then after that the Arachna, because means my opponent can have an advantage over me if I'll just use my Arachna to kill both of them. But even if I use my Triceratops at starting, to be honest, means I've got a high chance to win. Means something like you can say 70%. Okay, the battle started. So I guess it will have 2 at the start, because see, it will have the second turn, so it will give it 1 extra reserve. Even if it tries to kill me with both of that, it can't kill me. Nothing, just my brother and all of that. And he did 2 and got me over there, but now he can kill me in 2 hits. So next turn he'll have 2 if I'm not wrong. So I'll have to go for 2 and then 1 over here like that. And let's see what we'll do and what we can do. So okay, now that's a bit confusing thing. It went for 2. Okay, so right now means for sure it will go for full on attack, of course. And I'm dead over here, and my Lachna will be on disadvantage over it. Ooh, but it cannot do anything to my Lachna. 1, 2, 3, 4 is enough to kill it. 2 for safety against that thing, and after 2 reserve for an higher winning chance. And time for Labyrinthodont. Yeah, what a name. That's kind of weird. But whatsoever, it does some damage to me, but not enough to kill me. And now I'll be able to kill him. And I'm pretty sure he must have 1 block. But Dan can't stop me. Okay, 513 damage. That's a good amount of damage. And I won that. So now in the next one, I'll be using my Majangosaurus. And let's see what will be my opponent's team. Oh my god, it's the golden chance for my Majangosaurus to win. See, I can use this thing and then this. And see, both are herbivores. My Banyanosaurus will be wiping them off in one hit, if I'm not wrong. But whatsoever, it will have to. It cannot kill me, so I'll have to go for block over here. Sorry, I've got a bit of soreness in my throat. If you understand whatever I'm saying. So now it can't kill me in one hit. So I'll go for one block and one reserve. And let's see what it will do. Okay, 2, yeah, can't kill me. Now I have to go for for 3 blocks, because it will have 3 in the next turn. Oh no, I should have gone for full on reserve. That was kind of dumb, but whatsoever, means it will not be able to kill me, but whatsoever. I'm just speaking a lot, to be honest. And now I'll be going for full on reserves and one attack. Now what will you do? Cheeky strike. Now for sure my Banyanosaurus can kill it in one hit. No chance that it won't be able to. And full on 4 attack, yeah, I'm screwed, but whatsoever, not now. Because my Banyanosaurus is entering the battlefield and doing a 129 damage, which is really good, and which would be killing it in one hit. It did 3 attack. Means it will have 1 block. So 1, 2 over here I'll do. Have 1, 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Oh, it didn't have 1 block. Did I just see wrong, or did it take reserve? Means no way in AI taking reserve. That just feels too dumb. Oh yeah, of course. I guess it did 4 attack, or it had to. Okay, means whatsoever, my calculations were wrong and it could not kill me. Look at the amount of damage it did to me. And now time for full on attack. Oh, it had 1 block. 1000. That's almost 2000 damage if it won't have that block. Holy moly, even more than 2000 if it won't have that block. That's a lot. Okay, I got food. Now I can level up my Arachna, if I'm not wrong, to level 40. If I would be able to, I would be so happy. And so let's just do it. Okay, evolve. I'm spending my bucks over here, but fine. It's definitely worth it. Or I think I won't be able to. It's just costing a lot. Oh yeah. Means I could not even take it to level 30. Ah, what a shame. But whatsoever, I guess I would be leveling it up in the next video. And so in this video I can just keep the title, because see, not level 40 Arachna, and I did not even get Allosaurus, so I can just keep the Leopardon whatsoever. But should we do this or not? Means I'm not right now interested in getting in bronze. Well, if there would be a silver pack, I would definitely be interested in that thing. Or we'll be doing battle stage 7. 3 of them. Nah, I don't feel it's worthy. Okay. Means the most chances I would really be happy in getting an cooler sutures. See, because then I can create that Coolosaurus, which would be worth it. Pyroraptor, there are a lot of chances that I would really love Opicatron. It's OP. Means it does so high damage. Oh my god, just don't even ask. And I would really not like Gallimimus, which has the lowest chance. Okay, we'll be doing the battle stage 7. So let's do it. Okay, that's my opponent team. Need to get my Majungasaurus. I'll be taking my Limnoceros. Then my Tuki-chan. I want to try Arachna, but nah. Tuki-chan, then my Majungasaurus. Great. Let's see. So it has got a disadvantage, can't kill me in 2 hits, so I can take 1 reserve, be safe about that. Ooh, but it can be close. Oh, it can't kill me. That was a close one. Holy moly. It would have definitely gone for 1 block, so I can just take 2 and 1. For sure, yeah. It can't kill me in 1 hit, which is the fun thing. That was so close. Okay, didn't go for anything over there. I'll go for just full on reserve and let's see what it will do. 1. Oh, first time AI taking reserve. Oh, I don't know what he's trying to do, but I'm gonna go for attack because I want this thing to die. Okay, that was a fairly less damage. Ooh. Yeah, it would definitely need to do full on 6 stack, and then I would die for sure even if I would have blocks. But now whatsoever. Oh, bruh. Well, I'm already on 4 reserves, and okay, let's just get 4 more reserves and 4 more attack, and it's dead. Bye bye. See ya. It's like a level 1 Tuki-chan killing a level 15 Tuki-chan. Haha, that's weird. Okay, I'll go for full on 4 reserve, full on 4 attack. Okay, 15 damage. Fine, better than nothing. Now it has to go for no chance that it will. Man, means it's really dumb. But still, if I would have the blocks, it won't be able to kill me. And now time for my emerging source to wipe out this thing in one hit. And then Trike must be like, I'm done. So Trike, bye bye. You had a great time killing one monster in your first hit. Means whatsoever. But now it's up to Guanglong. Can it kill me? Of course not. Even if it... Ooh. Well, no matter what, I can kill him. Even if I do 1 hit. Oh, 2 hits. That was a close one. I thought it was 88. But whatsoever, I won this match and it was great. So I guess I'll be doing battle stage 8 in the next video. But okay, Guanglong since now unlocked, which is a good thing. Oh man, Leopardon, 485 damage and 1896 HP at max levels. Oh my god, look at how much coins does it generate in 12 hours. It's a lot. Okay, I've got 2 new things, Guanglong and Leopardon. I'll keep it on hatching. It will take a long 3 days. Means no hatching for next 3 days. Bro, I'm not spending my J-cubes in using another incubator. And I even need to get my Lacna high. Oh my god. It will be a big trouble. Now what can I do? I gotta wait for that much time and... Oh, silver rewards. Oh, I wish I was VIP. I would just get this instantly. And I'm not. But make sure if you like this video, like and subscribe. See, a lot of guys are watching my videos but not liking or subscribing. So it just takes 1 click to like and subscribe my video. Make sure you like it, subscribe it. See you, tada, and bye bye. Hoo-ha!